Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to connect Zoho books to your Payoneer account. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Payoneer account and sign in. Now on your Payoneer page, click on manage and scroll down to business integrations, then click on connect apps. Now on the connect apps page, you'd find four options or four types of apps or four apps to choose from: the Zero, QuickBooks, Zoho Books, or NetSuite. Since we want to connect Zoho Books, click on Zoho Books, and a new page should come up where we can just click on connect, and then we can connect our Zoho Books by entering our Payoneer sign-in details to connect Zoho to our Payoneer account, and then we'll follow the steps from there. So you just have to click on connect, and a pop-up menu would appear for us to input our Payoneer login details. Not just Payoneer login details, and we can continue. Okay, so this is mine. I do not have a Zoho account, but I'll just click on sign in. Oh, so apparently my account is not eligible to connect with Zoho. I think it's because I have not met some of the uh, payment criteria for Payoneer. So, but yours may be different. So that is how to connect Zoho Books to your Payoneer account. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great day, guys.